Hello there. Today I'm going to do a juicer or lemon squeezer pour onto my placemat, my little old placemat, of which I have put a small trivet on the bottom using poster putty, or blue tack we call it here in New Zealand, and I'm just going to sit it onto my spinner, my cake spinner. And onto that I'm going to put my little juice squeezer. I've put a shot cup underneath it just to keep it slightly off the surface, so that I can get the paint flowing through easily. And the colours I'm using today are my pearl white, old mauve from Montmartre, and a pale pink that I made up myself, putting in just a dash of red into white paint. So I'll get started now. that has certainly been quite an experiment. I like the style. It's something different. It's kind of like a candy floss berry mix, which is rather pretty. I think there might be something wrong with my spinner. I probably need to give it a bit of an oil again because it was definitely quite difficult to turn around. But now I will be going hunting for cells to see if there is anything there. I know I've got a lot of bubbles to get out, so it's going to be interesting to see what comes up. I've been enjoying using the pearl white, but I think it might just about be time for me to change back to some of my more traditional paint and go back and revisit some of my older methods. I actually want to do an open cut pour sometime soon, so that's gone up on my list of priorities, because not only do I enjoy doing it, but I also love the result. The open cut pours just have so many possibilities. So I will now bring this up closer to the light to show you. I absolutely love the pattern. I'm glad I did the swirly bit in the middle. I'm just trying to get my fingers under there so that I can just actually hold it with one hand. There we go. Because I wanted to point out the various bits to you. I don't know how well you can see that, but there is a lot of sort of merging of lacing going on with the white. It almost looks like a grey. And then of course you've got the fingers of the mauve coming out as well, which is really, really different. And the swirl in the middle almost reminds me of a pink and white rose. I could probably add to the swirl a little bit, but I'm going to leave it as it is because I'm happy with the result. It wasn't what was in my head at the time, but when, again, like a lot of techniques that we use in paint pouring, you don't know until you've finished what the result is going to be. And every time is different, and every time is an adventure. So that's it for me for this video. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.